This 2023 Newmar New Aire 3545 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This new Newmar is 35 feet 10 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Berkley Decor, Toffee Maple Hardwood-HG interior, sleeps 2, stovetop burner, LP detector, TV antenna, leveling jacks, smoke detector, external shower, self-contained, awning, Colorado detector, air conditioning, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features couples coach, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2023 Newmar New Aire 3545 is built on a Spartan K2 chassis and is powered by a Cummins L9 engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.